Hello everybody and welcome back to Funcraft Kiddos. Today we will be learning how to make a starter's house for your first night in Minecraft. And you might be thinking, I already know how to do that. Well, this one, whoopsie. This one requires less wood. Yeah, you heard me, less wood. So, the materials you will be needing are an oak wood, a wood of choice, and a door of choice. I just prefer oak. And also, preferably a torch. I want a soul torch. You don't have to use a torch. You'll just see when it comes in handy. And you can use any kind of torch. A normal torch, a redstone torch, or even a soul torch, or an off redstone torch. I just don't know why I didn't get time to make one. Why didn't I? So, first, you put oak wood here, or just your wood here. Whoopsie. And here. Now, if you're playing in creative, which nobody will, because then what's the point of even watching this video? So then you have to place blocks like this and that. Okay, now place a block here, 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 and fill in the blank spot. Okay, so now you have a shape like this. In the blank spot, put in a door. Wow. Okay, so now take some oak wood and place it 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. So it's 3 blocks tall and 4 blocks wide. And over here, 5 blocks wide. In the center, 2 blocks high, there's a gap for the door. You can either place the door inside or outside. I prefer outside. And now, again, fill in the blocks. You can also add windows, but I don't want windows. Now now copy that over here. I just love my job being a YouTuber. Okay, so now you have to. Okay, you better run. Just put some wood over here. You always need to put wood. The most important thing here is wood. Torches are required for wood. And you also have to mine the coal to make the torches. You need wood for a wooden pickaxe to get the stone to get the torch. And you also need wood. I feel like this is a wood recipe. Do not watch if you do not know how to get wood. Why am I saying wood so much? Okay, so now your build might look something like this. And if it doesn't, I don't know. Okay, so now take your torch if you got any. And then place it over here. Now crouch and place a block like this. Now take your torch back by mining it. And that torch trick, I watched it from a video, a YouTuber, another one, and it really got useful. Now fill out these blocks. And now that is it. Boom, a nice and simple house. Boom. And you can also use that torch to brighten it, but I like it this way. So you can put whatever you want in here. You can put some bookshelves, have a pet cat, a dog, a bed, a crafting table, which is, you have to have a crafting table, a furnace. These are you'll have to have a bed, a furnace, and a crafting table, and you need those. But you can put a little extra, like some bookshelves, or have a nice pet, and it looks nice from the inside, as if it's a huge block. But the outside looks a bit weird from this part. And that is it. That is how you make a tiny miniature house for your first day in Minecraft, your first Minecraft day. Easy peasy. That is it for today. Like and subscribe and hit the notification bells if you want to for more videos like this. And that is it. I'll see you in the next